Guys, my ping always be super high, but today for some reason it's super low. I don't know why. And I play boys. Would you love to see? Okay, I'm getting controller player. That is a 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 controller player. I'm not gonna lie, that's a controller player. I need a better weapon to controller player him. Getting shitty weapons only. Okay, there's a good weapon there. Come, buddy, come. Guys, he's a sweat. I'm trash. Guys, he's gonna come to me now. Oh, what am I doing? Sniper. He's here. He's above me. I need to go up and kill him. He's under me. Right there. No. Get destroyed. Get out of my game, you shitty player. Get the heck out of my game. You don't belong here. Get the heck out. I'm gonna dance with this shitty player. Dance with death. Yeah, dance. Buddy, you gonna fight me? Wanna fight me, huh? Want the smoke? You wanna smoke? You want the smoke, huh? You want the smoke, it seems. Want the smoke, it seems. I'm gonna get a full shield, guys. Then I'm gonna go in zone and then we're gonna vibe. Okay, vibe. That was an intense fight, but he was a very sweaty person. I'm gonna farm a little bit of mats so I don't run out of mats when I go against sweats. Driver pickaxe is 6 bite. 6 might. What the heck? Guys, this is what I'm telling you. I'm lagging now. What the heck? You guys can see on the top right corner, you can see my lag. So most of the fights I die because of this lag. If I find a llama, it will be godly. It will be godly, boy. Oh, guys, I just called it. I was like, if I get a llama, it will be godly. God just sent me a llama right here. Thanks God. I'm gonna want a llama. Guys, I'm the caller. I can call everything. Except one thing which I'm not gonna tell you. Yep. I'm gonna take the flare gun because I have less AR ammo and the flare gun is better. I'm gonna take this ammo crate. There's a chest. Oh, the lag is insane. How many chests are you? Rifles la. Basically, I'm saying either way we barakla. Guys, we found double llama. Guys, I'm not even capping. Guys, just see. I found double llama. Let's go, guys. God is being good with us. Am I recording? Yes, I am. I'm just gonna break this llama. I don't have time. Guys, I'm just gonna be max now. Yep, max. Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah, you can spectate him. Guys, this is my friend, my brother's friend's cousin. So technically he's my friend. Oh, no. You pesky little henchman, I'm gonna dip out of you. These guys have better aim than me. He has better aim than me. Leave me alone. What did I ever do to you? These stupid henchmen have better aim than me. You, if I crank too much, I'll be dead. I'm gonna go pleasant because it's very pleasant. That was definitely loud. Okay, this guy is not gonna leave me. Where is he shooting me, mister? Where is he shooting me from? Spam! Controller player! Controller player! I'm a controller player, buddy.
Really? You're playing on a PS4?
No, I'm not playing on PS4. Are you dumb? One right there. I'm gonna push up. Let's see if I can get a snipe on it. I'm gonna snipe it. I'm gonna third party. Oh, I missed it. I'm gonna AR spam. I stole your kill, buddy. You must be so triggered. This guy will be so. I don't know what was my aim, so I'm not gonna shoot him. Buddy, come here. Get destroyed, dog. I know these guys are bots and I'm just saying get destroyed to a bot.
Get this blue SMG.
Oh, there was a blue SMG? I'm just gonna build on the side so I don't get sniped. And over there. And over there. Like that. Peek, boys.
Beam him. Use your assault rifle.
I know, wait.
Stolen mats.
I'm gonna break them down. Lay it up, buddy. Ha! I killed one of them. No. Can't lag now. It's a 1v1 situation. I'm gonna build with metal, okay? Oh, I killed the guy.
Get them.
I can't get it right now. He was right on me. Team, buddy. Like, should I go for the no scope? I'm gonna go for the no scope, guys.
Don't.
I'm gonna go for the no scope. No, I almost hit it. I see you. No. Nah. None of that happening. This guy wants the smoke, guys. I'm gonna give him the smoke. Come on, peek me. Seriously, guys. Okay, I have to sweat on him. here, boy. I'm gonna give you the smoke. Okay, he's a pro. He's a pro. I was joking with you. Buddy, leave me alone. Look at him crank now. Dip. We love to dip, boys. He's gonna die to zone. I'm telling you, he's gonna die to zone.
No, he's in the zone. Don't try for the trick shot. Tell him it's fun.
I don't even know. Oh, okay, buddy. Easy dubs, easy claps. We love to see easy claps. Dance on, ooh, ooh, ooh.